Hey, Tim, back here with you at Dayton Hamvention, and today I'm with Betty from Seed Studios, and we're going to talk a little bit about their offerings.
Hey everybody, what up? This is Betty from C Studio, and they're super happy to get on the channel. So C Studio is a hardware-based company, and we mainly do open source hardware, starting from components all the way over to devices. And whatever you want and you want on embedded systems, we have them. But today we're at Hamvention, so let's talk about radios. So what Seed is presenting here, first and foremost, we have these RF Explorer stuff, and they're handheld analyzers. We've been doing that for years, and they're pretty solid. Like these ones is going over a wide spectrums from 50 kilohertz all the way over to 6 kilohertz. And we have even more. We have another one that's unfortunately not here. It's a big three, but feel free to check it out. It's designed, expand, and manufactured and distributing worldwide. And next, it's the most important thing is that we're introducing Meshtastic compatible devices here in Hamvention. Meshtastic is essentially a open source software that use LoRa technology to long range and low power transmissions. And essentially it's a mesh network that two devices can talk to each other, but it can also do relay, so it can jump and then hop through devices and create a huge network, mesh network, for people to send private messages and group chat messages to each other. So what is most popular right here is this card size little devices. I have it right here with me with a nice 3D printed little case. So what it does is that it will be able to send the messages through the devices, and all you need to do is to use Bluetooth, connect with your phone, use the app on there, sending other people messages. But it does more. So what we have is a off-the-shelf devices that's fully waterproof. So it has a built-in GPS and temperature. So essentially, not only sending messages, you can also send your location, share your locations. If you're on a hiking trail, if you're on a somewhere without a battery, without like a GPS, or without signals. So it's a great tool to start getting into amateur radio. And what more we have is these nice little screen devices, which basically does the same thing the tracker does, but it has a nice little screen. Instead of jumping on your phone the whole time, you can use the screen to check all the messages. It's touchscreen, so you can also text message on those. And this is our latest innovation is a solar node that is all in one. We have four 18650 batteries inside, 5-volt solar panel, built-in GPS, and waterproof everything. And it comes with a nest case, built-in rack with extension antennas. So you just get this devices for $90, and it's pre-order right now. So get one of the devices and create a home node for your location. And for those our developer and maker friends who really want to do hands-on stuff and DIY, we have these little components right here available in around $10-15, and it is the smallest devices you can do, and it has everything super low power. All you need to do is basically build a 3D 3D print a little case on of it, and then you can do your own devices. All right, thank you so much, and then stay tuned.